this this is how to hem trouser jeans without cutting or damaging the jeans. So if you want to amend your trouser, maybe that the length is longer, so you want to cut it to fit. So this the best sewing hack that you can do. That's the trouser. I'm trying to measure from the up down to the side, downside, so that I can hem down there. So first you have to get your tape, your ruler, and measure so that it will be in same size, so there will be no mistake. Use your tailor chalk to mark the area. There you can see that's what I'm doing right now. Taking the measurements, the full trouser length is 39, and that's where I'm marking it. So from down there to the from there to down is just 4 inches. That's the measurement that I'm taking. With this you can get the accurate measurement so that it won't be, the length won't be long, so that it will fit you perfectly. So that's my needle with my thread. Some people use other things to sew, but I use my normal thread because that for me, that's what I prefer using than this thing that I use. I prefer using normal thread. So I start from the down part, take it in with that measurement that I got. That's the 39 where it ended. That's where I will continue. So I'm picking from the line. That's I use charcoal to do the marking. Yeah, I'm picking from there. So you pick from there and come out. You don't put the needle back. Yeah, you pass it just that way. That's how you keep on doing the stuff from up to down, from down to up. You keep threading that way. Just keep watching what I'm doing. I'll pick from up to down. Just be passing my thread and my needle on same line. And while threading, make sure that you don't cover the sewing, that the down sewing, so that it will still look nice after hemming the trouser. Yeah, just keep passing the thread. Yeah, for me, I prefer doing this than cutting off the long length. I prefer doing this. Cutting it is just like damaging the jeans. Like even if you should dash it out, I don't think it's nice. So for me, I prefer doing this. Hemming it is better. For other people, they use gum to do this, but for me, since the jeans will still be washed, so I prefer using thread in hemming. The work is not easy, oh, but we have to do it. So at this point, you can manage your thread by once you're dragging the thread ahead, so the thing keeps coming closer. Since you're still going to remove the thread, yeah, once you draw the thread, you still have to cut some parts. So you keep on dragging so that you can manage. That's what I'm trying to do here, so I can manage the thread. I won't need to make a new one. So here I'm almost done with this thing. I'm now dragging the thread so that it can fit. That's what I'm doing here. I'm dragging it, so it's going in right now, coming down to the mouth of the trouser. So for me, this is the best way to shape or hem your trouser. Wow, just look at this, so neat. Just keep dragging it till everything is tight and the thread is not showing. Just make sure that it doesn't show. That's what made the work perfect. My work is almost done. I think this is easier for me. Just want to just keep doing it, passing the needle. I don't think it's a whole lot of work. You can do this without sewing, or if you want to make, if you still want to use your machine to sew this, just this same way, If you don't want to use needle, yeah, you can still do it, but that means you have to sew from inside. After I'll drop the video of how you can use machine to sew this instead of passing it with needle. Just watch out for that video. Make sure you come and watch it, and please, while watching the video, just make sure that you like it. So this is what I'm trying to avoid, for the thread to be showing. So I'm trying to drag it tight so that I'll have a perfect work. So finally, I don't drag and finish. So it's just to hold it tight. So you have to hold it tight to the trouser so that it won't be hard to wear. So guys, this is the distance that when you're passing your head, so it keeps going. Oh my god, so this is right nice. So I've tagged everything. Trouser, but once you're putting on the trouser in front of the trouser, if you're looking into it, just watch what I will do now, tagging up there, and it will show in the front of the trouser, and it was perfect. Yeah, that's another thing there. It's very perfect. So you can wear this trouser without any disturbance. Yeah, see the mouth. It's not even looking like something that was mended. So this is the best way you can hem your trouser. Trust me, the process is top notch. See both legs, they are perfect. Yeah, so will we be trying this?